Yo guys, Black Ops 1 and Black Ops 2 are finally available on PS4 and PS5. I know a lot of you guys really want to play them without paying any money. Don't worry, because in today's video, I'm going to show you the only way to get this game completely for free. All you need is a working game promo code, and then you can redeem it to get the game for free, just like I'm showing you on the screen right now. But before I show you every step, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. So guys, the method is very simple, but this method only works when you use a phone. So the first thing you need to do is grab your phone and open a browser. Then search for your couponbox.com without any spaces. Make sure you type it exactly like I'm showing on the screen. Once you're on the website, search for Black Ops. Now you can see both Black Ops 1 and Black Ops 2. Just choose the one you want to get for free. Now let me explain this website real quick. From what I found out, this website gives out free game keys every day, but the number of keys is limited, so not everyone can get one. My friend showed me this yesterday, and that's why I wanted to make this video for you guys as soon as possible. So if you want to try it, hurry up and check if there's still a key available. Now, to get the key, just press show coupon code button. After that, the process will begin. The website will start checking for an available code. It may ask you to complete a few quick steps before showing the code. Just follow the instructions to complete the steps. Once you get the code, copy the code and redeem it through the PlayStation app or website to get the game for free. Simple, right? Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.